In this video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Word document as a PDF. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to have your Word document open on your computer. This is the document you want to save as a PDF. Begin by opening Microsoft Word and navigating to the document you wish to convert. It's essential to ensure that everything in your document is exactly how you want it to appear in the final PDF, so take a moment to review it and make any necessary adjustments. Next, go to the File option in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File opens a menu filled with various options concerning your document. From here, look for the Print option, which is typically located toward the middle, and click on it. Don't worry, you're not actually going to print your document just yet. Instead, this will take you to the Print Settings page. On the Print Settings page, you'll see a drop-down menu under the Printer section, which usually displays the default printer for your system. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see a list of options. What you want to select here is the option that says Microsoft Print to PDF. Essentially, this feature treats the process much like sending your document to a physical printer, but instead it outputs it as a PDF file. After selecting Microsoft Print to PDF, you'll want to check the settings on the page to ensure everything is set to your preferences. This might include checking the orientation, margins, or other print settings. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click on the Print button. Even though it says Print, what happens next is that a dialog box appears, prompting you to save your new PDF file. At this point, you need to choose the destination where you'd like to save this PDF on your computer. It's a good practice to select a location you'll remember, and perhaps create a dedicated folder for exported PDFs if you plan to do this often. Name your PDF file appropriately by either keeping the existing document name or giving it a new one. Once you've decided on a name and location, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. Your Word document has now been converted into a PDF and saved to your computer. This format is exceptionally useful for sharing documents, as PDF files retain your formatting and can be opened on almost any device. I hope this straightforward method makes your tasks a bit easier. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.